Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Finally wait is over for final semester cadets of BTech Marine Engineering, BSc Nautical Science and GP rating. Synergy has announced application forms for engine cadet, deck cadet and GP rating. In this video I am going to discuss everything about Synergy exam 2021. Last year Synergy couldn't organize center-based exam due to COVID-19 and that was only proctored exam and cadets were appearing in the exam while sitting at the home. But this year Synergy is going to organize center-based exam with proper SOP of COVID-19. Last year examination fee was 3000 but this year examination fee is only 1500. Last date to apply for this exam is 6th August 2021 till 1800 pm and the date of exam is 11th August 2021. The link for this application has been given in the description box. As you will click there, interface like this will open. If you have not created account on Synergy portal, then click on sign up. Otherwise you should directly log in. After clicking on sign up, fill all the informations and create a password. And finally click on sign up. Now you can see your account is created successfully. Now go and check your registered email and verify your account. You can see the yellow highlighted line. You just click on here. If you will try to log in without verifying from Gmail, it will show like your account is currently inactive. So verify first and then log in. When you will log in, your profile will open. After clicking on dashboard at the left side, you can see the all notifications of exams. Eligibility for deck cadets, engine cadets and GP rating are also given separately. Deck cadets should have worn after 1 January 1997 and should have scored minimum 65% in physics, chemistry and mathematics in class 12th. And also overall aggregate should be more than 65% and marks obtained in English should be not less than 60%. Cadets should have completed pre-seat training or they must be appearing for final semester in the Maritime Institute. The same marking criteria for engine cadet as well, but they should have born after 1 January 1995. For GP rating, cadets should have born after 1 January 1997. Minimum marks in 10 should be 50% and cadets must have completed their pre-seat training. To know more details about exam and syllabus, just click on Synergy application. Now you can see there are 3 different sections for deck cadet, engine cadet and GP rating. You just click on the option to which you are concerned. For example, I am clicking on deck cadets, view details. After that, interface like this will open. At the top, eligibility is given. After that, syllabus of the exam has been given. And after that, you will see the questions. There are 200 questions and 180 minutes will be provided for that. And the question will be divided into section A, B, C, D, E. And section A has separately 100 questions from your syllabus. Similarly, we can click on engine cadets to view details. As you will click there, interface like this will open. At the top, eligibility, after that syllabus for engine cadets, and after that again question has been divided into 5 sections and 200 questions will be provided within 180 minutes. And similarly you can see about GP rating as well. Finally, complete your profile filling all the informations asked consecutively and do upload your photo and all. After that you will have to do the payment, then your application will be completed. After finishing your application you can log out. Thank you guys for watching this video. I wish all the best for all aspiring students of Synergy exam. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe Amrit Raj Compositions for further updates of any exam relevant to shipping industry. I am not applying for Synergy exam, but I am only filling these informations only to show you in this video. Thank you very much.